In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Plus500 to TradingView. So the first thing you want to do is go to TradingView.com and then log in with your account. And once you're logged in, you want to hover over Products and go to Super Charts. From here, once this loads up, you want to go down here at the bottom where you can see different tabs. You want to go to the last one, which is Trading Panel. And you simply want to maximize that so it basically just looks bigger and you can see it more clearly. There we go. And you want to click on all brokers, and from here you want to look for Plus500 US. So scroll down, and usually it's down here at the very bottom, and you want to just click on it. But if you want to basically star it so you can put it at the very top, just click on the star icon next to it. It will get added to favorites and it will be over here at the very top for easier access. After this, you just want to click on it and select if you either want to connect live or demo. And then once you select one, you just want to click connect, and you will go to this website where you will then basically have to put in your TradingView username and password. And then after you press sign in, you will get a few more prompts which you'll have to accept, and then via that you'll be able to connect Plus500 to your TradingView account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.